Morning, dear friends. Today in the gospel reading, Jesus is telling to the disciples and the whole world that you are the salt of the earth and you are the light of the world. And when we look at these two verses and we analyze our own lives, can we see light flowing out of our lives? Can we experience that salt? Salt gives flavor to a dish, but is our life flavorful? Is our life filled with joy, peace, happiness? Are we able to emit light, or is there darkness in our lives? Today, if we see majority of our Christian homes, there is only darkness, bitterness, hatred, anger, jealousy, strife, gossiping, and all these works of darkness flow out of our lives. But we need to be the light of the world, Jesus says. We need to be the salt of the earth. And how is it possible? We see in John chapter 8, verses 12, Jesus says, I am the light of the world. My dear friends, if we want to receive this light, or if we want our life to be filled with light, we need to receive light from the source. And the source is Jesus. Just like how the earth receives light from the sun. The sun is the source of light to the earth. Same way, our source of light comes from Jesus alone. He is the light of the world. And it says, he who follows me will not walk in the darkness, but will have the light of life. Today, if we want to receive life, that life flows from Jesus alone. Otherwise, we will be in darkness. And same way, he is the salt also. Without him, our life is flavorless. Our life has no peace, has no joy. We cannot experience that true satisfaction without Jesus. And that is why Jesus is our salt, Jesus is our light. First, we need to receive him in our life. And only when we receive him can we share this light, can we be salt of this earth, and can we be light to this world. But first of all, how do we receive this light? We need to remain in him. We need to abide in him. We need to know what Jesus has done for us. Jesus took that darkness which is in our life on himself on the cross. That darkness is sin. Jesus took that sin, that curse, that shame, that suffering, everything he took from me, and he suffered for my sin on the cross. He took everything, the penalty of sin on the cross. And when we believe in this message that Jesus died for me, he gave his life for me, he shed his blood for me. When we understand this truth, we receive life in us. The life of Christ comes into us, and we are born of his word. And then henceforth, we need to live in this word. We need to remain in the word. We need to abide in him. And only a person who abides in the word shall bear fruit. Only a person who abides in his word can know the truth, and the truth sets us free. This truth helps us to share the light with others. This truth helps us to make our life peaceful, joyful, and we can help others also to experience the light that comes from Christ alone. Thank you. God bless you.